welcome to DM Astrology. In the series of a yearly prediction 2022, we are going to see a Capricorn sign. Capricorn is a 10th sign, we all know, and it's a Saturn ruled sign. Capricorn sign have a entry and exit of its own Lord Saturn. So Saturn will be here till 29th of April 2022. So initial 4 months the Saturn will be remaining in your first house, first sign, continuing your second phase of a Saturn Sadesati. Then it will go to Aquarius sign, and by 12th July 2022 it will be in retrograde mode, again come back to the Capricorn sign, and then it will remain for balance of the year and move on 17th of January 2023. So only for the balance of a 3 month the Saturn leave this sign. Rest all the time you will be having the blessing of a Saturn in this year. In your second house the Saturn entry and exit. Same way in the April, till April the Jupiter will be here in your second house, and by 13th of April 2022, that is just initial 3.5 months, it will move to the third house, and then for the entire balance of a year it will remain in the third house, Jupiter. Rahu also is in your fifth house. Rahu is in your fifth house, and by 13th of April 2022 it will come to your fourth house. So lot of planets are entry and exit in your ascendant. Normally we see this three major planet only. Rest also planet you can see, but they are the considerable change they make. That is why this is to be seen particularly. And also Ketu also will be there in the 11th house, and then it will fall to the 10th house. So this will be the major planetary events in your sign in 2022. Now refer to the first of all health. This is a very good year for you as a health. Although your Saturn Sadesati second phase will be continue during the entire year, only relaxation of 3 months will be there, but being the Rashi Lord in the Rashi will always having a good sign. So you will be blessed with the Saturn activity, and all the activities you do, the health wise you will be very fit. Even though Saturn will move to your second house, it will be still in its own house, own sign, so it will not going to cause any harm. So for the Capricorn people, the entire year health wise there is no issue. You will be having very pleasant health and not going to face any hardship. So health wise you are secure. Although Sadesati second phase always cause some of a hardship, so physical stress will be more, but that will not lead to any disease, not any hardship. Related to the wealth, for the upcoming 3 months, as we have mentioned, that Saturn is going to visit your second house between April 22 to July 22. Saturn will come to your house, and for initial 3.5 months the Saturn Jupiter also will be in your second house. So financially also bit relief, bit profit you will be having. So financially also it will not going to cause any hardship, and you will be having any pending things, pending money which you have to take from others, that is also will be recovered during the Saturn visit in your second house. And then in 2023 we will see what will be the situation. So here it shows that you will be having a very good financially good sound position. Till first 4 months the Jupiter will be there, that is also a good sign, and thereafter 3 months more the Saturn will come, it will retrograde, and then it will lead to your 12th into the first house. So overall the financial wealth wise there is no problem. Relation wise first 3.5 months is very good. So during that period whatever the relation you want to improve, you want to repair, you want to recollect the relationship, that is a good time. And while Saturn come to your second house, old relationship to whom you have some connection earlier, they also will revive. So both the way, the relation wise also, it will be a good time for entire year, not to worry. Related to the education, it is somewhat a careful time, because previously for the first 4 months, 3.5 months, the Rahu will be in the 5th house, and then it will come to your 4th house. So accordingly to this, if you are performing any higher education or normal education, it may create some disturbance or hardship. You may not be getting the exact result what you are expecting. So from now onward only, you should try hard and work hard. So that is the situation you need to do, that in the higher education also and in the normal education, overall you have to work hard. And then balance of a year, entire year, the Rahu will remain 4th house. So it's not a so good time for you to get a desired result in education purpose. Related to the children, whatever the worries are there, whatever the problems are there, that will remain till April only, because till that time Rahu will remain here and then it will leave to the 4th house. So if you are trying for the children, best you should plan so that the result will come after the April. So related to the child pleasure or child conceive, you will be having a good time after first 4 months. So you should plan accordingly, there won't be any problem. Related to disease, already I said that you are being lucky this year, not going to face any health related problem, even not a disease. In first house Saturn and second house Saturn, both position Saturn will be strong and will give you a good support internally. So health wise and disease wise you are safe, you are not going to face anything related to the health. Related to the job, if you are doing a job, then it will be a good year for you, as there is no hardship or no stress you will face during the year. You wish to change the job, it will be better in the first 3 months. You should take the call, as a Ketu in the 11th house. Thereafter it will come to your 10th house, will not give you a work or job satisfaction. So better, if you wish to call, if you wish to take the call for the job change, you should take within 3 months. Otherwise it will be little difficult for you to get the expected result. Related to the marriage, in your 7th house, there is no planets are keeping any hardship. Jupiter also in the 2nd house and thereafter in 3rd house, supporting you for the marriage. So after April, it will be good time when Jupiter turn to the 3rd house in the April 2022 onward. Then it will be good for you to have the good education about the marriage opportunity. So marriage wise you will be having a good time. Even any hardship is already in the current marriage, that also will resolve and there will be amicable settlement in marriage life. So no hardship in the marriage also it will be, and related to the children also you will be getting good result. Related to the foreign traveling or foreign settlement, this is a good time. You may plan, because normally in the Sadesati people should visit the new place or resettle in the new place. So that is an option and opportunity for you to visit the foreign traveling. It will not be obstructed and you will be getting good result related to if you are planning for the settlement in overseas. So that way also you are lucky, you will be getting good result. Related to the business and profession, it is not a satisfactory after the April onwards. So whatever the growth, whatever the expansion you are planning, do that planning before the time so that it will not bring a dissatisfaction later on. So for the business, if you wish to expand the business, you should take a call by April 22, so that thereafter the Ketu is coming 10th house. Even though you are doing good, you will not feel that. That feeling will not come. And even in your profession also, if you wish to get a new clients, new venture, new adventure you wish to do during your profession to get a more client, you should do before April, so that your result will be seen immediately. So that is the main point you have to take consideration, so that you will not face any hardship in your business or profession. Related to any remedies This year there is no particular remedy is required but to please the Saturn. As the Saturn in first house as a Sadesati, it is always being advised to do all the charity, social, good work, charity work, donation like to poor, beggars, needy people. You should donate a food. Every Saturday make a practice of feeding as many as people you can do so that you will be getting good blessing. And Saturn only want good deeds. So perform a good deeds. Don't tell lie. Don't tell lie is the Saturn best remedy to please the Saturn. Okay. So do good deeds, charity, social. That will be the remedy for entire year. For investment, this is a good year. Your Jupiter will be in second house and then third house. So investment wise, whatever surplus is there, you can invest step by step. It will be good. So systematic investment will be good, and timely investment is good for you. And related to expenses, there will be only family and social expenses is there. There is no unexpected expenses you will be face during this year. Not to worry about any expenses or any losses. So under the pressure, don't take any decision so as to lead to the losses. Related to the expansion or purchase of a property like a house or office, it will be advised to do before April, because thereafter the Rahu will transit in your fourth house for balance of a year. So if you wish to purchase or buy, complete that deeds by April 13th 2022, so that you will not face any hardship and you will be getting your desired property. So that is recommended that related to the house or your commercial property investment, you should go for either or, but before April, so that you will be able to enjoy and receive the property as you wish. So that is very important. Related to the litigation, this is a time for amicable settlement. Saturn is helping you to settle down, so that during the Saturn visit to the accurate sign, it is a good time for 3 months between April 22 to July 22 to settle your previous litigation or any of your earlier dispute. To resolve that, this is a right time for you. Related to the spirituality, yes, this is a good time. You will be indulged in the very noble cause. You will be doing so many spiritual work, connecting with the higher soul and doing a lot of research during this year. So spiritually it is an expandable year, not to worry. Related to the social and friends, it will be improving after the April. It was drive due to the Ketu in the 11th house, but now some movement will be happen. You will be getting and receiving good support from your social circle, friend circle, and you will be getting good benefit out of it. So you must try for a new social, new friendship, new circle. After the April, it will be benefit for you. For religious work, this is a time, because the Ketu comes in 10th house. It is a good time to do religious work or spiritual work. So religious work you can do, social work you can do, and charity and spiritual work also, it will be good for you for this year. For sake of name, fame and recognition, it is not good year. As the Ketu will transit over your 10th house, you will be not getting the satisfaction and the level of what you are wish. So according to your wish, you will be not able to get your desired result in the field of name, fame and recognition. So continue your work. Do your charity, social and spiritual work, but don't expect any reward immediately. Related to any accident or mishap, this is not a year that you face any unexpected or sudden events. So don't worry about it. You will be not facing anything into the accident, mishap or any unwanted situation. And related to the hospitalization, it's not showing anything to be repaired. It will be a minor ailment that you can cure within your household remedy only. So there is no indication of any further suffering or long-term medication is required. Overall, this year is good for the good work, social, and it is good for your satisfaction level. So do enjoy year 2022 and have a good energy entire year. For more information, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number for consultation also, or you can connect with me in my website www.dmastrology.com, or you can follow me in my Facebook page DM Astrology or Dharmesh Mehta. Thank you very much. God bless you and continue viewing channel DM Astrology. Thank you. Namaste. धन्यवाद.